everyone, let's plant up some Coleus today. So today I have the chocolate covered and the red dragon. So we're planting up red Coleus. I'm looking for vibrant saturated color with these Coleus for my containers. So I'm hoping to have a real mix of Coleus this year. So let's get started. Let's open the chocolate covered cherry and let's see what we have for seeds. Being I can feel a vial in there. Okay, so we have the tiniest little seeds. You can see them in there. So I have my trusty tweezers here and I'm going to put them on this paper towel, which is not going to be the best for you guys to see, but we'll just have to make do. Let's see if I can find something darker. I grabbed another container here to see if you can see these better when I open them on the black versus the paper towel, because they are really super small. And I'm just going to put them in my hand, and there's only like 10 seed here, so you can see them there, and I'm just going to put them in the tray. It'll also help prevent me from sending them flying all over the room. Okay, I'm going to pick up the seeds one at a time. And I'm just going to fill this tray and I'll make my labels after. Let's have a look and see what we got for seed for the black dragon. And these are super small. And these are gonna have to go on the paper towel because I can see the dark seed. Here they are. There's more in this one, which is really nice, but also gonna be harder to pick up and put in the tray, but we'll give it a go. So you can see how tiny these are. I'll just pull this up so you can see the little specks. So I'm going to run these seeds down this side and try to keep them all together. And just going to pick them up one at a time and carefully place them in. We'll see how many we get. Oh, that didn't go well. The only thing is they're sticking to the tweezers. I have to check these tweezers real quick each time to make sure they are off. I'm just steadying that paper towel in place. See, that didn't go. Sometimes they stick to the ends. Yeah, they're sticking. So what I'm doing to compensate for everything sticking, I'm just putting it over there and I'm just slipping my finger down just to make sure I've got it in. Has anybody ever tried those plastic seed sewing contraptions, the little tiny plastic ones? Just wondering how those work. I've never tried them. They look too kind of flimsy to me. I was wondering if anybody has tried them. Let me know in the comments if you've given it a try and how they work. I'd love to hear the pros and cons of them. And just a couple seeds left. And I am actually managing to get pretty much a whole tray. These seeds were more plentiful. I think that's it. I did have one go flying, so I did lose one seed, but not bad. So the black dragon, there is a lot more seeds in the package, and I'm impressed with that. So either way, I will have lots of red Coleus to put in the garden, but I just have one tray here of the chocolate, and then the rest is black dragon. It's not bad. So I didn't waste a tray. I was thinking I might have to start something else in this tray if I couldn't fill the whole thing, but I did manage to fill it. So let's label it and water them in with a fine mist. So I'm just going to label this one Black Dragon. And this is the chocolate. All right, let's give these a good mist and make sure they're firmly in place. We don't need to give them too much because I pre-moistened the soil. Something I like to do, makes it a lot easier. Although there are times when dry soil is the best choice to use and then moisten it after, but it depends on what you're growing. And put the labels in, and they should be short enough. And then I'm just gonna put this one actually right behind so I know that it's all this area and up here. Then we'll put the lid on. The humidity lid. And now we're gonna put them where they belong. All right, so they're in their spot. They're under the grow light, you can see. Now let me show you my other Coleus, since we're talking about Coleus, how they're doing. I did pot them up, and you can see the kind of growth we're getting now. And these were the mixed Coleus, and they are more the green variety, but the blotches on them are all quite different. So it's kind of cool. Like if you look at this one, it's got streaks in the center. So that is pretty cool. So I'm looking forward to getting out in the yard and getting these planted. I hope you enjoyed this video and that your seedlings are doing well. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks everyone. Bye. So I wanted to give you an update on how the Coleus is doing. It's been a couple days. They germinated really fast. We see here that we have the dragon coming up right here. And so far, I don't see too much on the chocolate, a little bit. But the dragon's definitely the first one to pop up here. So that's really good. So far, so good with the germination. So we're off to a good start.